explain what's going on. This is day 3 of the project, and what's going on?
No, I got the right size hose. That's totally the right size.
Ignore this. What's going on today?
The guy at the shop that owns the yard or whatever, whoever the fuck, yelled at my man's uncle for this being filthy because we left trash everywhere around the yard.
That was under the hood, so that's all the trash.
So now we gotta get this back together. Hope it works, and if it don't, we gotta bring it to Kevin. No, he gonna fix it. You know what? Oh, one fight
Fuck the other guy here.
And soon you'll be driving a Ford.
I don't think so.
Shut the fuck up. No, because that's what we had.
Yo, Edler Tire, bitch ass.
Yeah, shout out to him for not torquing down the lugs on the Ranger.
Tell him what happened.
It fucking fell off doing 35.
Yeah, tell him the story.
I was driving my truck, going down the road, minding my own fucking business, and the tire fell off and jumped over someone's house.
Literally.
And I slid down the road at 35 miles an hour, unable to steer or hit the brake.
The man almost died.
No, I almost blew out a hub. I was like this close from the curb.
Fuck him. This is a 2-door, by the way.
Even like that bitch I watched crash into a truck. Her rear passenger hub hit the curb, and the tire flew away, and her hub I saw shatter. And she tried to back up and leave.
What a fucking bitch.
It slid back in reverse and...
Tell the camera what's going on.
Oh, apparently the hood's not. Fuck.
Fuck, bruh. Nope. Did you get that bolt out? No, you didn't. That might be why. Try it. No, it's broken.
Whatever, it's going to Kevin. Kevin will fix that too.
So tell him what's happening.
This guy over here was like, "Dang, you made a mess in my yard." I mean, now we did, but you know, we're coming back to clean it up.
Well, they already know about that part.
We got this bitch kind of running decent, I guess, enough to drive, hopefully. And we're gonna bring it to Kevin so he can fix it.
So yeah, we got it kind of running, and you'll see in a second.
We had to put the intake manifold back in, wire everything back up, everything looks like shit.
I didn't film because it's mad late, it's like 12 o'clock.
Half the shit ain't even hooked up. I'm late as fuck, my mom's gonna beat my ass. I got work in the morning.
You know you're gonna be late o'clock to work o'clock.
I'm just gonna stay up all night.
That's a terrible idea. I don't know if it's in gear, but we got light bar. I think I'm in fucking reverse. I can't fucking see. That thing's loud. Sounds like a lawnmower. I don't know if he wants this on or not. This is gonna be a long fucking ride. Oh, it's moving. Oh, he shot fucking mud at me. I gotta be on his ass because he doesn't have fucking plates on it. You gotta keep it alive. Oh my god. Rev the piss out of it, you gotta keep it alive. driven this fucking thing with a wobble and it's so scary. Oh my god. This thing is obnoxious. It's smoking like a motherfucker. Oh, it's smoking bad. You gotta understand. It was just dumping mad smoke. I don't even think he cares anymore. I think he wants to just get it the fuck there. This wobble's mad ridiculous. Would it die? I don't know what you can fucking see. I think the camera's fucking foggy, I can't tell. This man's downshifting it. I think it just died. I don't know what happened. He fucking ran out though. Am I pushing you?
Dead smoke's pouring out the hood.
Is it? It was smoking like a motherfucker. I flashed the light bar and you went.
I can't see.
I flashed the bar. I'll just push you.
Alright, fuck.
I can't see. This is retarded. You know, we never checked the oil in this fucking thing when we did it. I hope it didn't fucking seize. Oops. find out what happened. Fucking barn door latch. What happened?
Bring a light. Do you have your phone?
Yes.
Bring your phone.
I couldn't hear it. What happened?
Man, it shut off on me. I was taking the stop sign.
I started smoking. I started fucking wailing the light.
I can't fucking. I see the light. I don't know what the fuck you're flashing for.
Well, I would have just pulled
Should have
over.
called me.
I didn't think about that.
I couldn't stop.
I don't know if the gasket looks blown out. Does it look blown out to you?
Where?
Right there.
I'm holding the hood, homie. I can't see where your fucking light's pointing.
Right there. By the alternator. See how there's blue sticking out?
Yeah, no, that's fine. That's
That
normal.
thing was popping like a motherfucker.
That's normal to have it like that.
Right.
It's on a misfire like a motherfucker.
Maybe the plugs popped out. Get the cane.
Hold up.
It was run. How was it running?
Shit.
It fucking was popping and shit. I saw flames come out of the exhaust.
Is it really?
Yeah. I don't know if I got it on camera because I had to shift, but it was pretty fucking hilarious.
This shit.
Maybe that's what did it.
Maybe blew a starter or some shit.
Wanna try it? Make sure you're not in gear. I don't feel like getting run over.
It's in gear, but I couldn't see the lights and all that wouldn't come on.
Try it.
You got your phone?
Yep. Watch the door.
It ain't going any further.
Alright, well I just don't want, you know,
I know.
light pop, thing popped off.
Oh, okay.
I need that cane. I can't do it over here with one hand.
Fuck it. We'll leave it for Kevin.
Well, we gotta fix it. We gotta move it. This ain't gonna fly. You're gonna be pissed. No, that's fine. I think the negative came loose again because it sounded like it came off.
Which one's the negative?
That one right there.
It's not tightened down. I don't give a fuck.
Take it out of gear and try starting it. I don't feel like getting crushed. Sorry about the camera being all foggy. Yeah, it's just sparking over here. It's just sparking.
It's probably fucking arcing the shit out of it.
Yeah, that's what happened. Bruh, this thing was moving.
This?
You
it had
were
no
moving.
speed. I had no speedo.
You were moving.
I had no speedo, and the tach just kept going back to 2 every time.
I was trying to pay attention and film and drive, and then
Well,
it kept...
I'm pretty good in that thing.
I heard
though.
you downshift it.
Yeah,
And then I downshifted pretty fucking awkward.
Ride the clutch.
This is gonna be funny.
No blinkers, no nothing.
Yo, run it without the exhaust. It's so loud. Here. Try to straighten it out with the tree. It's between the lenses. That's between the lens. I can't do anything about it. Oh. I wish it wasn't foggy. The camera's got fog on the fucking lens. I can't do anything about it. Probably wasn't stopping. Hey! Go forward now.
Hey, the wheel is cut. I'm sorry.
You were about to hit the
It
truck.
fucking shut off. Brakes lock off.
You were about to hit the truck.
I know. I had my foot on the brake. I saw. Hey.
Look at the smoke. What the fuck is that from? Jesus Christ. Come close to me, King. Pause. I think that'll do.
I think it's pretty good. I think it's the fuel pressure regulator going.
Yeah?
Yeah, because it won't stay right on my foot on the gas. It smells like shit. It smells like coolant.
Oh, Jesus.
It smells like straight coolant burning off the cylinder head.
Maybe that's what it is. Well, this concludes the episode and the video and the series.
Like, get in the fucking truck, I gotta go home.